Virat Kohli as well as Gautam Gambhir. On that note, we're going to leave it there and shift our focus to some updates that we're tracking at this point in time. In fact, a Delhi court has sent Jas Bilal Vani, a key accused in the Red Fort blast case, to the National Investigation Agency's custody for 7 days. Vani was produced by the agency as the 10-day custody granted by the Principal Sessions and District Judge Anju Bajaj Chandna on November 18th was set to end today. A resident of Zadir Gund in Jammu and Kashmir's Anantnag, Vani was arrested in Srinagar by the NIA on November 17th for allegedly providing technical support for carrying out terror attacks by modifying drones and attempting to make rockets ahead of November 10th blast. My colleague Sambhav Sharma with us on the broadcast give us more on this. Sambhav, what are the details that we're tracking at this point in time as far as the probe is concerned?
Well, here the probe is underway and there are total 7 arrests in this matter, all being produced before Delhi's Patiala House Court. National Investigation Agency has been seeking remand of all the individuals they are arresting in this particular case, and earlier this particular person, Danish, was arrested and was on 10 days of NIA custody, and today his NIA 10-day custody was getting over. He was again produced in the Delhi's Patiala House Court before a special NIA court, where this Jas Bilal Vani, aka Danish, has been sent again to the 7 days of the NIA custody. So NIA is, he will be in the NIA custody for 7 more days. Earlier, yesterday, one more accused was arrested in this particular case. He was sent to 10 days of NIA custody. And Amir, who was the first accused arrested in this particular case, was sent to 7 days of judicial custody. So, the NIA has been arresting the accused in this case and seeking 10 days of custody. Post 10 days are getting over, the NIA court is granting some 7 days of custody. Now this Danish has been granted 7 days of NIA custody. The probe in this particular case is underway, and what is more interesting here is, or rather important here is, that amid threats, or rather a bomb threat to the court in Delhi, all the accused have been personally, physically being produced before the judge, the special NIA court in the Patiala House Court of Delhi, and NIA is seeking the custody of all the accused, and later on they take them once the custody is granted. And another important thing here is that these are special NIA courts, so the reportage from inside the courtroom is not possible because it's in-camera hearing going on in the NIA court. However, what we know is from the what the lawyers of the NIA, National Investigation Agencies, have been sharing with us. Now this is 7-day custody to Danish, who was the second accused in this Delhi blast case.
All right, Sambhav, thank you for sharing all those details with us. Moving on to some news that we're tracking from Bengaluru.